After continuous growth over the past 5 years, sales of alcoholic drinks dropped in 2009. And a global economical crisis was the main reason behind. And this downturn started already at the end of 2008. Consumer disposable incomes decreased, and thus they were forced to cut on their expenses. However, this spending on alcoholic drinks didn't fall as strong as for any other products. For example, it was noticed that Hungarians were cutting on expenses on soft drinks and hot drinks. However, we have to admit that they cut on expenses in on-trade, and they rather prefer to buy in off-trade, alcoholic drinks in off-trade, and to consume them at home. However, despite all those bad economical conditions, premium segment was the winner in 2009. And previously, during the past 5 years, consumers were turning towards premium segments due to health awareness and at those days growing disposable incomes. And this upper end of consumers, they are less sensitive for the changes in economical situation, and they still remain the major consumer groups of premium alcoholic drinks. The trend of consumers turning towards premium products in alcoholic drinks was mostly noticed in beer. Beer in general is cheaper product, thus we presume it gained from this trend the most during 2009. Premium products started to be very popular, and manufacturers noticed that consumers prefer to buy something more premium or luxurious, if we can call it, and started to introduce new products in beer, and they also claim that they will continue on doing this in the coming 5 years. If we talk about spirits, government and European Union subsidies started to help manufacturers of local products such as palinka, which is traditional Hungarian drink, and at the same time manufacturers who got this help from governmental institutions, they also started to promote and also had an impact on changing habits of consumers, which even started to prefer local products like palinka instead of tequila. And new consumer groups appeared in this sector, like for example younger consumers. Consumption of alcoholic drinks is expected to grow in the coming 5 years in Hungary. However, we predict that it shouldn't be in volume terms, but rather in volume terms when consumers will still trade up for premium and super premium products. And at the same time, together with growing disposable incomes and the need for amusement and entertainment, on-trade is expected to also get recovered during the coming 5 years, and of course the consumption of alcoholic drinks in on-trade is also expected to grow.